don't like about this mask, it's when it's cold, this huge screen is going sweat. All this inside is going to sweat, foggy, and you see not much. You have to stop work, wipe, start again, and breathe slowly, and don't be sweat. True color, really good visibility. Yeah, let's open this one. Beautiful frost. Yeah. It's a good quality hood. Before grinding, hopefully you don't have to grind too much. If you're grinding, you're going to sweat. All this screen is going to blurry. There is one more issue with this hood. It's as you see, it's not really handy to get setting. Now you got this screen. If you open, you got a really small gap to do it. So look at this. You have to put your finger somehow and try to read what is there.